Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, I just got a new cordless angle grinder in. Time to take a look at it. When I opened the box, I seen there was all kinds of stuff. I said, let me go ahead and do the opening and everything of it. Got a nice little bag right here to put it in. Some gloves. The grinder is from SEESII, is how I believe you say that. There you go. There's a lot of disc in there. That right there would be nice to have. And some cutting disc. Nice flat disc. Pair of glasses. Little wrenches and everything for it. Look at that. What everybody wants, 2 batteries. You can't beat that. That's the cord for the charger. Man, that feels good too. That looks real nice. Feels real good. It's got a nice grip on it like that. This part right here is kind of pushing against your wrist. I don't know, it makes it feel more stable. But we'll see how it feels while it's going, while it's running. Anyway, let me get it hooked up, see if these batteries got any charge in them. And let's see what it does. All right, got everything out. The SEESII 21 volt brushless angle grinder. It's nice. I did a little bit with it. That battery's got a little juice in it, and I got the other one on the charger. But you get all this with it. You got some flat disc in there, some cutting disc, some glasses, couple wrenches. There's an extra set of these, the top and the bottom. Some gloves, a carrying bag for everything. That'd be nice to have too, if you're going out on the job site. Also one of these little wood discs. I'm gonna mess with that tomorrow. I did a little bit while ago on a board, and it's gonna throw so much dust inside here that I don't wanna do it inside here. But anyway, that's what that's for. Carving and shaping wood. And it does a good job of it too. You have to kind of know what you're doing, because it'll start digging into it really hard. But anyway, I'm gonna cut a couple things. I put one of those blades on there. Got everything hooked up on it, the guard and everything. It's got about 3 bars on it, it says. So anyway, I'm gonna cut a little pipe and some PVC and stuff with it. See how it does right quick. This is just some PVC, small pieces of pipe that I was cutting. Getting the first few cuts out of the way. I really like these cutting blades they put in there. They're nice. They cut really well. It's got some power in this grinder. I mean, it's not really bogging down on me or nothing. It's just some small round stock. Need to cut out for some tie downs. I did a little grinding with it. Had the wire wheel on it for a while. I've actually been using it for a couple days now. 3 or 4 days off and on. I've been pretty impressed with it. This was just a piece of tubing I needed to split in half. And with both sides, that's about 6 foot of cut right there. And I mean, it was just running right on through it. if you're looking for a cordless grinder, this is definitely one to look at. I mean, this is probably the one to get, honestly. These things are priced right, especially with the 2 batteries and all the flap disc and the cutting blades you get with it, the little wood carving disc. Definitely, if you were looking for one, if you even think you want one, go check this one out. This is the little wood carving disc, just an example of what they're for. But I'll have a link in the description box, and if you use the code, you can get 10% off on it. And they're already priced right. That 10% is just the icing on the cake. But check out the link in the description box and go look at them. And I think you'll like what you see. I think you'll be satisfied with this one. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.